everybody, and welcome to my shop, or my shower. Last time I built this outdoor shower, and so far I'm very happy with it. The way it works now is I have this container, I fill it up with warm water, I lift it on this ledge, and then I take a shower. Although it works really nice, it's very inconvenient, so I came up with a better solution. I don't exactly know how this is going to work, but I think I need a door and I need an opening, and I also need a hole for the chimney, and I need something that makes this bottle a little bit more stable when it stands upright with fire inside. But that's all I know now. I think I'm going to get started with the door. It needs a hinge. This one needs a hinge as well. We will see. way this is supposed to work is the fresh water comes in here into this valve, and then it runs through all these copper tubes, heats up on the fire that's inside. It's actually, because of the length of the stove, I can make a pretty big fire inside. It runs all the way through, and then this is the exit. This is where the water hopefully will be pretty warm or even hot. That's why I chose this kind of hose. So yeah, away from the heat, into the garden hose, and that goes into the shower and then onto my head, hopefully. We'll see. Let's test it. First test. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you can you see how it's boiling? Now it's fine. Oh, now it's actually perfect. Oh. Okay, so it actually works a little too well. I think the solution is to make a smaller fire. I made a really big fire and the water started to boil pretty much instantly. So I need to make a little bit of a smaller fire, not turn the water all the way on, so I have a constant and little stream of warm water. Perfect. And again, we built this project in one day, and these are the most satisfying projects. I'm so happy with this, and I can't wait to try it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you again next week with a new video.
Yeah.